Right, well this is the cockpit. You've got a folding table there, plenty of room on the flybridge and the helm station. There you go. All of the electronics work. Got like new spray covers. But very nice. Decent sized tender. This is a lovely boat. The woodwork in that is pristine for its age. One owner from new. Very light and airy. These windows in the roof, sunroof, look really nice. And that's the saloon. This is the owner's ensuite cabin. What a cabin this is. Looks like a queen size bed. Plenty of ventilation. And you've got wardrobe space. Look at this. This is lovely. Huge window. And got the ensuite shower, huge shower. This is the forward guest cabin, and you've got plenty of room. Lovely ensuite cabin this. And you've got this which you can use as the day heads because you've got another door here. And up the steps into the main saloon. This is the door to the engine room. I love the cabinet work in here. You've got a sea hatch into the main engine compartment. And wow, any marine engineer would be more than happy to be working in here. You can get at everything